Morning everyone. So today we're gonna change these brakes. And I'm gonna show you how to do it. So let's get to the basic stuff first. When I have tight bolts, I use this. This is a good product. Your wheels off and you get your jack under, right? I use this as well as a crank bar, and you put everything to make sure everything is good. See, I got my jack. This was short. Now all you're gonna need to remove this piece is a screwdriver. Let's see if I can hold the camera and do it at the same time. You're gonna pull this forward towards you, right? Pull it towards you, and this is holds the brake, and it's just gonna pop out. So you're gonna pull it towards you. You don't want to damage it. You just want to pull it towards you. It's like one of the easiest brake systems that I've ever done. Because this comes out. Should have had my gloves on. That hurts. Anyway, now after you do that, you have two torque 40 bolts, and I'm going to take those out. One on the bottom, one on the torque, and that's the bolt. And once you unloosen that, your brake caliper should come up, and you should be able to change your brakes. So that's the little pin that they have there. And seriously, this is like a half an hour, 45-minute job, depending on what type of tools you have. It should come up like so. Oh, wait. Yeah, there we go. Now one caliper stays in, and the other one stays there. Alright. And that's the one that was rubbing and damaged. And then you just do everything in reverse order. Same thing from the top, right? Here's that pin. So these are what the pins look like, right? 40 screws. The other thing is these shoes that are covering it. So I pulled them off just so that way it can be much easier. So once we get these pins up, what we're gonna do is lift this up, sit it over here, pull out the brakes, pop in the new ones, and then we'll be done. But I'll show you a trick, which I'm gonna use these pliers for, if you don't have the pump to push the caliper back in. And just like so, she's pushed back in. Now basically all I did was took the pliers, put it along here, and apply pressure, and that's it. So now you see this hole right here? You want to take this part and you want to clamp it in, and then you put everything back in order, in reverse order. That's it. Thank you for watching. And these are all the tools you need. Some blaster, penetration, set a ratchet, T40 screwdriver, pliers if you don't have that, and me, I just have this, my Ryobi impact driver gun, and a jack and some stands. That's it.